What's up, you guys? This is Gunnifer, and this is my very first YouTube video, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I clean a adjustable spanner. Start by taking it apart, and it's not that hard. It's just one of those screws right there. Use a flathead screwdriver, and let's take it apart. So we got the wrench, the screw, and the thumb wheel. So what I like to do is I have this degreaser right here. Spray it down. I use one of my old toothbrushes. There you go. After scrubbing it, just wipe it down. They clean up nicely. I'm gonna hit up the other part of it. Came out pretty clean. So next up I'm gonna be using is gonna be a sonic cleaner, so I could be able to clean the inside of it. I gotta go get some hot water so I could get it going. So I got the hot water right here for the faucet, and I add it to the sonic clean. You don't have to put too much water. Next, I gotta grab the detergent that goes in there, and here it is. I grabbed this from Harbor Freight, just a general purpose cleaning powder. Let's open it up. That's what it looks inside. I don't think I need that much. Cover back up. And let's grab our tools, put them in there. There. Thumb wheel. This is screw. There you go. Closed up. Then we're gonna set it. That's for 3 minutes. 4. Put it for 2. On. And it is gonna be. See all the dirt coming out already? Let's do it action. Ultrasonic cleaner. I bought this at a Harbor Freight. I forgot the price of it, but I'll link it down at the bottom. But you see, it cleans the inside of it. Parts that I couldn't get to with the brush. And it's doing its job. We'll come back and see when it's done. So it just finished right now. See how dirty the water is. I didn't put it for too long. I just wanted it to clean it up. I forgot to mention, this also has its own heater. It heats up the water itself. So if you select the TC right here, I'll warm up the water for you. So now after this, I'm just gonna take it out, dry it out, and heat it up in the wire whip. So we're back to the table now, to the workbench. As you can see, all the rust is gone, except right here. I could get a wire brush and with a drill and drill it out, but I'm not going to. It's looking better than how it was. So now we're gonna put it back together. So we're gonna start by installing this side of the adjustable wrench. We'll put the thin wheel on there. Right here for now. Yeah, because I'm gonna add Loctite to it. Thread locker, blue. I'm gonna add a little dab of it. I'll put the screw back on there. Okay, we got it in. Let's grab a screwdriver. And there you go. Look at how smooth it is. For $3, you can't beat that. Adjustable wrench. Look at that. Great. Awesome, man. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. It's my first video, so let's see how this YouTube thing goes. I like to go to the swap meet, and I like to buy old tools, clean them up, and I use them at work. I'm a maintenance technician, so these will be going through water, through product, through whatever it goes through. So I have a handful of these at all times. You know, if I lose one, production takes one. I always have standbys, but I love these. $3. A little bit of TLC and get them back going. All right, guys, this completes the video, and peace out.